you an SME looking to take your company strategy to the next level and achieve bigger and better goals? Then the Strategy in Action Club is for you. The Strategy in Action Club is our fully online and expert strategy program designed specifically for SMEs. On the program, you'll join a cohort of 15 to 30 like-minded companies, developing your robust and effective strategy over a 12-week period. The program will enable your organisation to build an effective end-to-end strategy by developing world-class capabilities in your resources, developing an actionable strategic plan that is clearly understood and delivered by your entire company. The Strategy in Action Club achieves this through a unique combination of the innovative Strategy in Action Platform, powerful software that will become the heart and soul of your company strategy, intense workshops delivered online for 3 hours every 2 weeks, focused coaching, giving you access to strategy experts for your teams between each workshop. To take the first step to further growth and success, and for more information, just follow the link or get in touch with us directly with the details provided. See you there.